Today we got a new mouse unboxing that coincides with the HyperX keyboard we recently unboxed. So make sure to check out that video after watching this one. Let's get right onto it. So here we have the PULSEFIRE Core HyperX gaming mouse. It is RGB. There are 2 DPI settings right here, and there's also 2 hotkeys. The RGB settings are in the back over there. Here are just a couple of color samples. And all you need to do is to open it. Just take off this flap right here and open these flaps and take out the mouse from there. Put this aside. So here's the mouse itself. So right here we have the DPI settings, and then right here we have the hotkeys, and we have like a nice thumb print right here that we can just peel open. That was nice. And all we need to do is just slide this mouse out. The RGB mainly comes with the HyperX logo right here. But yeah, there's also a sticker right here to peel off in the middle. Alright, let's peel this off.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now.
You have the sensor for the mouse right there, the clickers. And what I like about this mouse is it's like it has a wide 2-finger area here, so it doesn't really get cramped up. And the hotkeys are quite accessible. And DPIs are easy to use.